This early January surgery likely never happens, if not for social media.
I was scrolling on Instagram one day and I saw a video about someone else with a similar chest as mine. I was like, that's interesting. And they talked about how they got it fixed.
And I was like, Carson, I hate to break it to you, but not everything on the internet is true. My initial reaction was no. The doctor in Sioux City actually took one look at Carson's chest and said, I'm not touching that. We're sending you right to Children's.
There, pediatric surgeon Robert Cusick diagnosed Carson with Pectus excavatum, a chest wall deformity that affects 1 in 150 people.
I woke up in the morning with my body and it was just, I didn't really like that very much. A big hole in my chest.
For a long time, we called it a cosmetic procedure. You know, you were correcting this defect, but the studies really didn't show how it improved heart and lung function.
So a normal chest and a heart, room to expand and pump blood. This is more like me. My chest was very close to my heart, and it didn't have much room to expand.
Corrective surgery was once considered one of the most painful operations, but is now minimally invasive.
We do small incisions on either side, and then we put in usually 2 bars in order to elevate the sternum. About 18 months ago, we started adding cryoablation. The cryoablation freezes 4 nerves, and what that provides is numbness to the chest where the bars are for 3 to 6 months. It's been a game changer.
The innovation also lessens the need for opioids during the 3-month recovery as Carson returns to his active life.
I'm looking forward to people asking to see it because all my friends have never seen anyone like me or any cave-in a chest and that sort, so I feel like I'm going to ask a lot to see it.
I love taking care of these patients because I think that often the physical appearance really hurts their self-esteem at a key point in your life, adolescence. So it really changes their self-esteem.
You want the best working on your child. And I've always said distance doesn't matter. When it comes to my child, I'll drive wherever. The level of care that we have received here from doctors, nurses, any sort of medical team that we have gotten has always been top-notch. And Carson has always been treated like he's their #1 priority. That to us speaks volumes.